what's up? Yo, I'm excited. Finally got this hood in. Ordered the G8 hood. ZR1 style. Gonna put this on today. See how it looks. I think it's I'm gonna set it off, then I'm gonna watch this thing. We're gonna go for a drive. So just initially checking it out, looks like I'm going to have to put the little bonnets or connections here in the stock hood. I'm gonna have to put them into the new hood. Okay, so I'll do that. Comes with the locations to put, the hinges on there. I'm gonna have to drill a hole right there. So I can transfer that. All right, we'll get started on that. All right, I think it looks good. Of course, I knew it was gonna look good. Okay, so let me back it up. I'll wash it, take some better pictures. We go for a ride. How's the fitment? All right, so it's aftermarket. Do I have it tight? Yeah. So it's gonna move. So here's my concerns. I couldn't put the latch in. I'll show you. Pops up. All right, I figured this might happen because it's carbon fiber. So I'm drilling these holes and you see the surface area. It's close. So you can't get it way up here in the thick part. So of course it broke on me, So what are my options? I do not want to put hood pins in this good looking hood. So I'm thinking, will air get up under the hood while I'm driving? It's a little gap right there. But I'm looking at the vents right here. So a lot of vents. I don't think it'll turn into a parachute and pull it up. Have to go for a drive and see if it shakes. It doesn't have an exit port here. So you have these right here. So if any hood air gets under while I'm driving, it should come out here. Fitment worked out good. Here's a little time. That's good. What's up, daughter? I'm gonna edit you. I can edit you out. I can edit you out, or I can leave you in. How was college today?
It was good. I did good on my test today.
All right.